Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fast forward or rewind a video on YouTube. Now, before I start with this video, can you please subscribe to my channel? It helps me out a lot. So first you want to open up your YouTube app, and once you have opened up your YouTube app, let's just click on any video whatsoever and let's wait for this ad to load. Now, if you want to fast forward, just double tap on the screen and it will fast forward. Now, this doesn't mean that I have fast forward like 40 seconds. It just means that that's the amount of times I clicked and I skipped that many minutes. If you want to go back or if you want to rewind it, just click on the left side of the screen and that's it. The video will be rewinded. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having issues, let me know what is the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.